this is Nathalie from Linedotarrow from the Netherlands, and I'm finally back. Some of you may know I've been on a holiday. That's why I was a little bit, not around in the Facebook group a lot. I went to Portugal. I am home for about 2 days now. We went there to celebrate our 25-year wedding anniversary, and I have a little giveaway. I made an announcement with a wedding picture of, my husband and myself. And if you comment on the picture, you could be entered in a drawing that I'm going to do on Friday. But this drawing, the wheel you see over here, this is for the September challenges. And there will be a drawing also in April's group, Robin McGrain's group, Rocking Robin. I think they already did the drawing. Sorry, I have to. I'm a little bit off track. Two Sister Jam, Sophie's Crafty Corner, of course, Linedotarrow, and April's group is. Oh, I always forget the name, and I feel so bad that I do that. But for me, she's just April. Well, not just April, but April. Junk Journal Joy with April Storm. So check out those links, and if it's all correct, everybody is sharing their links in all the hosting Facebook groups, so you will be able to find the winner's drawing. If you have troubles finding the videos, because some do a live, some do a YouTube video, you can search on winner's drawing or the word drawing, and then if you click on recent, so you have to have a filter after you typed in that word in the search option. You can click the filter and put it on most recent, and then you can find the video or ask one of the admins in the Facebook group. Each group is going to spin 5 times. We had kids to work with. Sorry, I'm so lost. Kids to work with, and also free challenge papers. We had 3 challenges. Normally I show you what we did, but I think you just want to know what the new papers are going to be. So after this video, I will show you the new papers for next month and we'll list them in my Etsy. So I want to make this as short as possible. So this is all about wrapping up September. I'm going to click 5 times. Each time there will be a winner that can win a digital. Oh, this is so silly. A digital kit from my Etsy store, but October challenge papers or new kits are excluded. So you can pick until September. When you are a winner, if your name pops up here and you're a winner, I'm going to take you completely off the wheel so other people can win too. Of course, it's possible that you win several times in different drawings in the other Facebook groups, so you can still end up with 5 kits. And the other thing I want to tell you, if you win, you can contact me via my Etsy store and go to the Contact Seller button. Preferably put a link of the kit you want to have. If that's not possible, maybe a screenshot or a complete copy of the full name, because I have certain kits that do look like each other. So I might send you the wrong papers. So if possible, give me detailed what you want to have. I will send out the papers as soon as possible. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to send out today. I might send out tomorrow a little bit, but Friday I have more time. But tomorrow I'm celebrating, not celebrating, but my husband and I having the final days off together. So I'm not going to sit in the office and do the shipments of the papers, because that's going to take me hours. I decided to do that when he's back to work and I still have days off. So sorry, husband. Sorry, Mr. Linedotarrow. But yeah, I still have days off. I'm going to click for the first spin now. I can't even see the name myself, it's so tiny. Rolanda Limburg, congratulations, she's Dutch, so that's why I'm pronouncing it a Dutch way. You win a kit from my Etsy. I'm going to remove you completely from the wheel. And I think you were on the wheel a lot, so it's going to take a while. Second spin. Sorry, I'm also taking something to drink. Elizabeth Basso, congratulations, you won a kit from my Etsy store too. Yeah, you know how to reach me. Going to erase you from the wheel. Third spin. Mel Cockburn, congratulations, Mel. I'm so happy you won a kit. Going to remove you. And now we are going to do the fourth spin. Laura Jean, congratulations. You won a kit from my Etsy store too. Going to remove you from the wheel. And now I'm going to spin for the 5th time. So the final spin. So excited. Who's going to be Cheryl Burster? I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the name right, but you won a kit from my Etsy store too. So these are the 5 winners. Please contact me via my Etsy store. I'm quickly going to edit this video so I can put it out on my YouTube and share the links in the Facebook group so you can all see. And then after that, I'm going to do another video showing you the new papers for this month. And I'm going to put them in the Etsy today. And of course, they will be on sale with a little discount for all of you. But yeah, that's it for today. And I also want to thank everybody for joining in. I apologize for being away a little bit at the end of September. And I will share some things that I saw in Portugal, of course. And also a huge thank you to the design team members, to our group ambassador, also to all the other Facebook groups hosting the challenges, and also to Bea, because she, even though she was on holiday too, she managed to keep track of all the names, and she sends me a file with all the names. It's the best thing for me, because otherwise I do have to go through all the posts myself, and she's helping me out. So thank you very much. And of course, thanks everybody who joined in, and I hope you had a fun time in September and are ready for the new challenges in October. And I'm so very excited because first, it's possible for me to actually craft with my own papers, because I wanted to do that last month, but I had so many technical issues. So I couldn't. I have to let go of the the papers. They are still printed, of course, and I can still go there and make something, but I simply don't have the time. So yeah, I just thought, okay, I'm not going to work with them. Sorry, because I only created with 3 things, and that were all 3 the free challenge papers. That's all I used. So, but quickly going to wrap this up, quickly going to edit, put it on YouTube in the Facebook group so you can all see. And I hope you also join me in the next video, that will be the one after this one, to see the new papers and join in with the October challenges. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.